No queda tirado, güey.
No, you good.
Oh, they made all that for you?
Yeah.
Tight.
Una pinche escalera. Yo, what is up guys, your boy Juan from Trokiando. Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we're going to be taking the new wheels for the TKO hauler, the 24x12 concave forjado wheels, to go get the tires mounted on and hopefully mounted on the truck as well, so we can check out that transformation and check out the new stands on the TKO hauler. Now if you guys didn't check out that video when we got the wheels in and we got them power coated, I'm going to leave the link up here on the screen so you guys can check that out. Again, special shout out to my boy Omar from Forjado for taking care of us on these custom Trokiando edition wheels, and Coaters of Texas for taking care of the power coating on the wheels. Now we went with the murder look on these wheels, something to complement the Denali. It's gonna look badass, guys. So y'all stay tuned for that little transformation. Let's load up the wheels real quick. I got them inside the shop. Alright guys, last thing is the caps. Can't forget those. They've been wrapped to protect them. We don't want to scratch them or anything like that. Pero mira, see, I'll turn it. And el Trokiando logo siempre está derechito. Mamalón. Hell yeah. So let's load these up and head out. ¿Qué onda, bro? ¿Qué video?
Estamos.
Bien, bien.
¿Todo bien?
Ya, todo bien. ¿Qué onda, bro? ¿Qué video? ¿Cómo andamos? Bien, bien. Ya que te puedes meter back to the truck.
Okay, está bueno let me see, backing on the third bay. Y ahorita lo digo a los chavos que la van.
Ah, está bueno. Ya está.
Yes, sir. What you about to get this right
Nomás un ring trae la tapa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Los demás no?
Los demás no.
Oh, they made all that for you?
Yeah.
Tight. Yes, sir.
¿Están pesados o no?
Más o menos.
Más o menos.
Got the bumper.
Got the bumper.
Y acá atrás.
If I don't do anything to it, or
No,
with the 3 inch.
even with the
3 inch?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, es que estas trocas vinieron bien cuadradas. There's some bad motherfuckers though.
Yeah,
No
yeah, good. The little 3 inch and it's still gonna have to cut.
Ya ponle un pinche 18-inch lift, güey. Así como
Ah,
la
¿como
mía.
qué o qué?
Sí.
Yeah, but hace mucho, güey. Alright, guys, so como dice Victor, it might be hitting here. It might be rubbing on the fender. Maybe on the fender right here and on the front bumper. More than likely, we're definitely gonna have to do a little kit, a little lift kit on this one. A 4.5, 6.5. Got some options out there. We want to see which one's the best one so it doesn't rub and so it rides good. ¿Quedaron, Victor?
Ya quedaron.
Came out good, man.
Malones.
Oh, really good.
Nada más falta una levantada y vámonos.
Yeah, now you got me thinking that we're gonna have to do like a what? Like
Like a little 5-inch.
5?
Yeah,
5
grande.
9 inch? Whoa, now we gotta do an 18 inch, wait.
Mira, 9-inch allá como aquella.
That's a 9-inch over there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? What size wheels on that one?
26 14s
26 14s?
on 38s.
On 38s. You still had to cut the bumper on this one?
Yeah, mira, está cortado. Navagazo. Vámonos.
So this is 9.5.
About 9.5, 10. De estos Magawis.
Nice, okay.
Está mamalón.
Yeah, está con madre. How's it ride?
He had 37s on there. Matter of fact, he might have his kit for sale. Venga.
¿Qué onda, bro?
¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo andas?
Juan.
Trokiando, güey. How much you want for it?
Regalado tampoco, güey.
Con fog shots all
Ahí
around.
está, güey.
What size is it?
4 to 6. Está powder coated.
What color?
Rojo. No,
Okay.
you know what? Es azul. Azul como el de mi brother porque le iba a usar él, pero no le quedó su troca.
Do you want it a blue or you want to get it powder coated?
I will get it power coated.
His brother does the powder coated.
Oh,
first.
really? ¿Y lo puedes poner también de una vez? I want it.
So enfrente es el knuckle, the big sway bar link. El shock es Fox, pero sin el reservoir.
Okay.
Estos somos heavy duty tie rods.
Okay. Pero eso
Yeah.
no...
Eso no viene,
okay,
eso no
okay.
viene con el kit.
Y luego pues es el cross
El
member.
cross
¿verdad?
member frente y atrás.
Pero no como esta que va a tener los...
No, esta barra, como es la factory one, se queda acá arriba.
Ah, ok, escondida en el
Yeah.
frame. Y es four-wheel drive, la mía también, no hay pedo.
Sí, that's the same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah, forward
Esta lo
drive, yeah.
tenía.
You got
Okay.
37, right?
I had 37s on 20 by 10s.
¿Y rosada?
No,
You got
I
the
mean,
cut?
just puro plástico, no como ahorita, era just no plastic. Pero era 20 by 10 on 37s.
24,
12s.
by 12. Yeah,
On 35s.
35.
Should be fine.
Yeah,
clear.
so
6 inch.
Maybe minimum just the
I think you should leave it at 5 para que esté bien.
parejita. Okay, so con ese qué, con las factory controllers no hay pedo entonces.
No.
The ones that has on there.
Yeah, temporarily.
Temporarily.
Yeah.
No queda tirado, güey.
No, you good. Te digo, yeah, we ordered the Kryptonite tie rods, the control arms también. Pero I mean, you can ride on it. There's no problem.
Yeah, está bueno.
Yeah.
Well, damn, Victor, quedaron mamaron los pinches rines.
Yeah, man.
Came out good, man.
The tire's perfect size for
Yeah, we weren't going for a stretch look. We wanted that square look, and
Yeah.
that's perfect size.
Good tire también.
Yeah.
Nitto, you can't go wrong with that.
Hell yeah, that way. Appreciate it.
Ya estás.
Appreciate it. Whoever is looking for some tires and wheels también
Yeah,
for
we
Jaro,
got- yeah.
the plug right here,
Yeah,
Victor.
we got a lot of Forjados in stock. We got other brands, replicas, todo, off-road tires, lo que sea.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
come check us out. Check us out on Facebook or Instagram. Or we located on the south side of Houston.
There you go. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. Check them out. If y'all are looking for some wheels, lift, tires, anything, tell them Trokiando sent you guys. We'll get you hooked up. Game on malón. Alright guys, so it's been a few days since you guys just seen us doing the new tires and the new wheels. So unfortunately we weren't able to test fit them because these things came out huge with the tires. Those 35s look pretty badass. We're actually going to be doing a lift so we can make them fit and hopefully have it ready to go to LST with it. We opted out to go with a 4 to 6 inch BDS suspension lift. Shout outs again to George. He hooked us up with a good price. We were planning on doing like a 2 to 3 inch leveling kit on it from the beginning, but after looking at the results with that big 35, there's just no way we're gonna be able to make them fit with just a 2 or 3 inch leveling kit. So 4 inch is the way to go, 4 to 6. The only thing is that it's power coated blue. It needs to get power coated black, which it already got done by his brother. So shout out to him for getting that knocked out pretty quick. There's just no way they were gonna clear without no kind of lift or anything. So what you think, Edgar?
Badass, right?
Came out good, right?
Yeah, came out badass.
Yeah, we didn't really think it was gonna look that big, huh?
Nah, I mean, now that you put the tire on it, se mira más chingón.
Yeah.
So hopefully, with that lift, it'll fucking fit.
Yeah?
You know, we're gonna be struggling.
Nah, I mean, hopefully it should fit. Well, maybe minimum trimming on the bumpers, but it should fit. You guys stay tuned for the changes coming up on the Denali. And yeah.
Don't forget, shopping merch.
Ooh, yeah.
Trokiando.com.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hey, you wanna
sir.
show the cock charms or what?
The Trokiando croc charms. Vamos a ver, vamos a ver. Check that out, guys.
Little preview right there.
Trokiando croc charms. What you guys think? Drop a comment below. Will you rock them out? Make sure you download the app. You open it, enable notifications. Every time we drop a new release, discounts, new giveaway, a new giveaway, and so make sure you download it, stay connected, enable the notifications, and you'll be able to get that stuff, guys. So Vic, ¿cómo andamos?
Pretty good.
Yes, sir.
¿Listo qué?
Yes, sir.
Una levantada.
Sí.
Vámonos.
So 2 inch leveling kit,
Ándale. Un leveling kit, un horseshoe.
horseshoe. Vic, Edgar.
What's going on, man?
Come on,
Vic,
man.
nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Ahí está de venta. Luego, ¿para qué?
Bro,
Sí.
Yeah, how much?
100.
100?
100 grand. Para que se anime.
Nada, way for the next giveaway?
Sí.
17,000 miles out of 5 years that I've had it.
Así como la miramos ahí, güey, esta parquea toda la semana.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to draw that as a daily.
Yeah. You get tired. You get tired of that. Se va a caer la tuya, güey.
Y'all stay tuned.
Ahí va el vato, el que la va a levantar.
¿Quién es?
Ese es mi technician.
A ver, a ver.
Ese
Ahí
mero.
viene el tech, el
Sí,
camarada. Ese güey se que va a levantar.
Ese te la va a levantar unas 2 horas, güey.
A la madre. Va a quedar chueca, güey.
Se va a quedar chueco. Y ya para mañana.
¿Qué onda, bro?
Ya today.
Akira,
¿Todo?
¿lista?
Very well.
You ready?
Vamos a mamalón ahora sí. On the 24 by 12.
Los pinches reines llegando a la casa.
Tan pesados, no, pesadísimos, güey. ¿Y solo?
Solo. Y luego lo subí otra vez en la mañana.
Workout.
Como me veo la pinche espalda ahorita.
Sí, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, today we're gonna start working on it to drop the differential. Yeah, that's what takes the longest. Yeah, ya lo demás, el cross member y todo eso, pues eso no es nada. Sale como another inch or 2 inches.
Abajo.
Yeah, para abajo. They're a little bit longer.
Not like it matters with this one, you still can't reach.
A ver, güey, trying it up.
Hold on, let me raise it up.
¿Me le falta más para arriba?
Sí, güey.
A ver, güey. Toma una pinche escalera. Y va a bajarla. Will it go really low?
Yeah.
I can see the bell way from here.
¡Esto, tío!
Me hubieras bajado para ver subirme. That's a big ass difference. Dude, that's badass, huh? Yeah. Really quick compared to what was before.
You gotta do next to ours, huh?
Shit, bro, that's badass. That's really badass. It goes up to like an 18-inch lift, so right now, I don't know where it's sitting at right now, but 10-inch, más o menos, it goes up a lot. Right now it's what? Más o menos it'll be like a 10-inch, no? 10 to what?
Ahorita, como más o menos un 9-inch.
9-inch?
Yeah, 9-inch.
You know, all the way to 18? And he does all that from the phone. He can control it from the phone, goes up and down from the phone. Yeah. Pretty clean. Imagínate, güey, towing a trailer like that. 100 grand, 17,000 miles, 2017. I make sure I hit him up. I por madre la cosa. You're organized and everything right now.
Yeah, we're trying to get all this shit organized, man. Pues son como estas son las Chrome, but they look pretty cool.
A ver, pega. Sí se mira más picuda. Can you get the black ones?
Yeah, I got the black one somewhere right now.
I like it better because está el piquito, ¿verdad?
Yeah. No, y este se ve también más chido.
Yeah. How much is it?
That's my price. Don't put that in.
Oh, the black ones? ¿Son para esta? ¿Para esta?
Yeah, 41.5.
So I'll grab them.
Okay,
Yeah.
está bueno.
I'll take
Ya,
that back.
put them on.
Chile,
Ya estás.
no, mañana.
Yes, yeah, stay tuned, man. Fucking Trokiando truck.
We're on the LST crunch right now.
Yes, sir.
Gonna get that 6-inch lift on the Denali, make it look good with the 24s
Qué bueno.
and 35s.
Yeah. So if y'all going to LST, make sure y'all go check them out.
Yes, sir. Estamos.